अरे विशाल We want justice! 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 We want justice! Justice! Justice!
Okay. Thank you to all the media friends. Today we on behalf of YTF. As you all know that yesterday by some from the news from which came from the social media itself that Pozavanta Palace is going to demolish and the government of Tripura has trying to give to Taj group of industries for Taj Hotel. See, for this reason we oppose. We on behalf of YTF we oppose such act which is being taken by the government of Tripura. We don't oppose Taj to be created in some other places. We have many lands in Tripura, like we have created hotel Polo Towers, we have many lands. Why does the government of Tripura give a land to create a hotel, 5-star hotel? It's good for us actually. But instead of that, why do you want to demolish the historical place Pozavanta Palace, which was built by Maharaja Birendra Kishan Maniko in the year 1917. So this is the reason, this is the main reason we today on behalf of YTF going to submit a memorandum to DM West. So all these kind of act not should be repeated again and again. As we all know, in the past last CPM regime, everything has been changed. Which last it was Astable Maidan. Now it was a Swami Kane Maidan. And in front of Rajbari, they have changed their names in the in museum. Uzanta Palace was named after the Prestige Museum, and I'm very much proud. During that time, the student organization they protest, and at least we can put the name of Uzanta Palace. This is the reason we YTF condemn this kind and we oppose such kind of act which is being taken by the government of Tripura not to repeat again and again to demolish our culture and heritage. Tripura has a very rich culture for all over, not only for Tiprasa, not only for Bengalis, for everyone. So I just urge the government of Tripura not to do such untoward acts which harm the sentiments of the people of Tripura. Thank you.